Imagine this. You're looking at a messy HR payroll dataset. No dashboard, no charts, no reports, just raw employee payroll data. And right beside it, there's a single button. With just one click, it automatically builds a fully interactive HR payroll dashboard in Excel. No manual work, no complex formulas, no hours spent creating pivot tables and charts. Everything is powered by Claude AI. Let's see how it works. Right now, we only have the raw HR payroll dataset, nothing else. Our goal is to build a complete HR payroll dashboard. First, open Claude AI in Google Chrome that analyzes employee payroll information, salaries, departments, job roles, and other key HR metrics. We've provided the complete prompt in the video description so you can follow along. Simply copy and paste the prompt, then press Enter. Within a few seconds, Claude AI generates the complete VBA code required to build the HR payroll dashboard automatically. Download the generated VBA code. Now switch back to Excel. Press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic Editor. Go to File, Import File, then select the VBA file you just downloaded. Once the import is complete, press Alt plus F4 to close the VBA editor. Next, press Alt plus F8 to open the macro window. You'll see a macro named Build Dashboard. You can run it directly from here, but let's make it even easier. And right beside it, we have the ready-made Build Dashboard button into our worksheet. Now right-click the button, select Assign Macro, choose Build HR Payroll Dashboard, and click OK. That's it. Your one-click dashboard button is ready. Now for the exciting part. Click the Build Dashboard button, and within seconds, Excel automatically creates a complete HR payroll dashboard. Formatting data, interactive pivot tables, dynamic KPI cards, interactive slicers, professional charts, a clean dashboard layout. Everything is generated automatically. The best part? Because the dashboard is built using pivot tables and VBA automation, it's fully dynamic. Whenever your HR payroll data changes, simply update the dataset and click Refresh. The entire dashboard updates instantly with the latest payroll information. What normally takes hours of manual dashboard development is completed in just a few minutes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vizspire AI for more AI automation tutorials.